Hi, seventh graders. Welcome to your video for Wednesday, April 22nd. Uh, I'm going to try to keep this video relatively short because I have some other videos that I want you to watch today. But before I get into the subject matter for today, I wanted to make a few announcements. One, just a reminder that you do have a test tomorrow on Chapter 20. And that'll be posted on the LMS. It'll be all online, all open notes, open book, open videos I've shown you. Just make sure that you take it sometime before Thursday at 11:30 p.m. and that'll be good. A couple of other things I need to tell you. This weekend I'm going to be going out of town to visit my daughter in Pittsburgh. She would have graduated on Sunday. She'll still graduate, but she would have had a commencement ceremony and a big celebration there in Pittsburgh, but that has all had to be canceled because of COVID. But we're still going to go up and visit her and try to celebrate with her with proper social distancing, and at least celebrate this accomplishment in her life. So I'm looking forward to that, but that means my schedule will be a little bit different as far as you guys are concerned over the next couple of days. So tomorrow, Thursday, normal, I'll be in town. You'll have your test. I'll be available for you to contact me. Friday, we're not going to have any class. That is actually now the new norm for Fridays. And you got a letter from Mr. Bundy in the email last week about that. So it's very normal that we wouldn't have any new class videos or new assignments on Fridays for the rest of the year. But we are supposed to have office hours on Friday morning, which means that I would be available for you to contact me through email or the LMS chat or text or something like that. And that's how things are supposed to work, but I'm not going to be available for you that day because I actually am going to be traveling to Pittsburgh. So you won't have class, which is normal. You also won't have me for office hours, which is actually not normal right now. Of course, then we have the weekend, and then Monday you will have a class. You'll have a new video and a new assignment, which of course you're used to having on Mondays, but I will not be available to you that day to answer any of your questions. It would be like having a sub. So of course, that's not really normal for you right now. And just treat it like you would, like I said, if you had a sub. So if you have a question that you can't get answered, don't fret over it. Just know that when I get back in town on Tuesday, I will answer it. Okay, so just wanted to make you aware of that so that you weren't confused if you tried to contact me on those days and you couldn't get me. Okay, so for today, what I want you to do is watch the Bob Jones University Press teacher go through section 21A, part 1 of chapter 21 in your book. And she's going to talk about the respiratory system. And you're going to take notes like you've been doing by either printing out the guide that I've attached and filling it in, or getting your own piece of paper, folding it for Cornell notes, putting in the headings, and doing it that way. One thing you'll notice about today's notes is I filled some of the answers in for you because I wasn't sure that it would be easy for you to draw them out necessarily from her video. I think it would be, but the way she words things, I just wasn't exactly sure, so I went ahead and filled those in. And the other thing is she starts out talking about the Spanish flu, and she's going to explain why she does that, but I just wanted to let you know that the Spanish flu was a disease that, a form of the flu that came, was very devastating, almost, well, a little bit over 100 years ago, and she's going to be talking a little bit about that. That flu epidemic is compared in some ways to what we're experiencing right now with COVID. They both are respiratory illnesses, and I thought you just might like to know that as you're watching. She doesn't go into a ton of detail, and it's not really scary or anything, but just wanted to point that out. After you fill in your notes and you get them turned in to the right spot on the LMS, I have a couple of other short videos that I would like for you to watch if you have time. If you don't have time, that is okay. They're two about 4-minute videos, and they're really cool. One shows the vocal cords of people while they're singing. They've put a camera up their nose and down their throat to show their vocal cords. And one is an Operation Ouch video where they have an actual pig lung and they show you how it can expand when you blow air into it, and talk a little bit about how the lungs work. But again, that's just extra material. If you have time, don't fret over it. If you don't, key thing today is to watch the Bob Jones video and get your notes taken and turned in. Okay, hope that information is helpful. If you have any questions, of course, just let me know, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.